Start. FIR was registered on 25/3/1995 at the police station Makrash, Panapur, district Charan at Chapra, Bihar. Case crime number 62 of 1995 under sections 147, 148, 149, 307 of Indian Penal Code 1860 and section 27 of the Arms Act. Later on, section 302 IPC was added as 2 out of 3 injured died during treatment. The said FIR was registered on the basis of the statement of one of the injured Rajendra Rai at about 10 am, who subsequently succumbed to injuries. The statement was recorded at the corridor of Camp Rajkiya Hospital, Panapur by Sub-Inspector N.N. Thakur of Police Station Panapur in the presence of 2 other injured, namely Daroga Rai and Srimati Devi, and also before 2 other persons, namely Rajendra Singh and Sanjeev Kumar Singh, in short IPC, for who had signed as witnesses in the FIR. The prosecution version as recorded in the FIR in the statement of Rajendra Roy narrated that the information along with the 8-9 other persons of his village was returning after casting their vote in the election on 25/3/1995 at around 9 am. When they reached southeast of his residence, 5 persons came in a car armed with rifles and guns and stopped the car. Prabhu Nath Singh, accused number 1, who was the contesting candidate for Bihar People's Party BPP, while sitting in the car, inquired as to whom all of them had cast their votes. The information answered that they had cast their votes in favor of Janata Dal Party, having symbol of Chakra Chhap. On hearing this, the car moved towards south and stopped at a little distance. Prabhunath Singh, accused number 1, opened fire from his rifle, pointing towards the informant and others, and thereafter the car sped away. As a result of the firing, 3 persons got injured. On the basis of the FIR, investigation was taken up. Inspection was made of the spot of occurrence. 3 used cartridges were recovered from the place of occurrence. They were sealed and a recovery memo was prepared. The investigating officer recorded the statement of the witnesses. The injured were provided medical treatment. The doctor prepared the injury report, and after 2 of the injured expired, the post-mortem reports of the 2 deceased persons, who also prepared Daroga Roy, died soon after the incident, and his post-mortem was conducted on 6/26/1955. Rajendra Rai died after about 5 months on 21/8/1995, and his post-mortem was conducted on 22/8/1995. Prabhunath Singh, accused number 1, was avoiding the arrest, nor was he surrendering, as he was the member of the ruling party. The district magistrate, considering the amount of influence being wielded by the accused, found that it was not feasible to conduct the cases in district Saran, Ait, Chapra, and hence recommended the transfer of all the 6 cases of Hazaribagh. In all these cases, Prabhunath Singh was an accused. The transfer was approved by the High Court. However, later in the year 2000, upon reorganization of the state of Bihar, as Hazaribagh fell in the state of Jharkhand. In present trial was transferred to district Bhagalpur in Bihar. It was only after 11 years that charges could be framed by the trial court on 26/3/1995 against all the accused for offences under various sections of IPC as stated above. The prosecution examined 11 witnesses. It would be relevant to note that out of these 11 witnesses, PW1 to PW7 were examined on a single day, that is 27/6/2006. The statement of all these 7 witnesses were made similar to the effect that they saw the incident of firing but did not see who killed the 2 deceased. All 7 witnesses were declared hostile but by the prosecution. PW8 to PW10, 3 witnesses were examined on 10/8/2006. In the meantime, on an application under section 311 of the Code of Criminal 8 Procedure 1973, the trial court, by the order dated 23/10